Hey guys, today let's learn how to go ahead and have one name on your Facebook account on your iPhone. So if you guys are looking for a specific way in order for us to have just one single name and not a first name and a surname on our iPhone on the Facebook application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So this is going to be pretty easy guys, because what we need to do first is to tap on this menu icons, and I want you to tap on your settings application or settings option. Next, let's access our account center, and I want you to tap on either your personal details or wherein you could go ahead and access your names. So that is going to be located over here. Let's try to access that via our profile and see if that is actually editable. Over here we have it. Tap on your names and you can actually proceed now with changing your names to just one single name. Just go ahead and remove this, and what I want you guys to do from here is to just add either a dot or any symbol that Facebook's iPhone or Facebook mobile doesn't recognize. So let's say, for example, you could do a quick search on your Safari browsers of a specific character. Let's say they could actually input some other characters that Facebook doesn't detect or show on their device. So some language that doesn't really translate well on Facebook could also work. If you do know, or if you are familiar with a specific country that uses a specific language and also form of writing, you could go ahead and do a quick search of that, copy the character of that writing, and then proceed with adding it to Facebook. And that's basically going to show that you have no last name. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.